Day 7, almost a week. I got up this morning, had a shower, and feel completely and utterly exhausted now, so I've crawled back into bed to rest from showering, because that's so hard. Well, it's mid-afternoon on Sunday, Day 7, and I'm really starting to hate this elemental diet. It's really hard. I have been feeling really sick, which I think is possibly from adding fat to it. I haven't really been having very much of it, to be honest. I've been having at the most 2 shakes a day, which isn't very much at all, given that I should be having 5 if I follow my scoops. So that's 4 scoops in a day. I should be having 10. I'm resenting and hating the flavour and the smell of it, because it's all I've tasted for the last week, and I'm such a foodie, and I never eat the same dish twice, really, like not in a row as a general rule. So yeah, it's tough. And then I just think I've got 2 more weeks of this. I don't feel like I feel worse than I did before I started treatment. My SIBO symptoms weren't that bad. They weren't really bad at all. I had some bloating. I'd gained quite a lot of weight, but it wasn't like I was suffering every day like I used to be with my SIBO. And so because of that, because I'm not seeing like this dramatic change in how I'm feeling, I think that's probably making it harder to want to stick at it as well. Yeah. And I'm already planning my first meal. I'm already thinking about it. I can't wait for that first meal. I'm going to make a chicken broth, and I'm going to put some really well cooked chicken in it. And I'm going to go and buy this chicken from Milking Yard Chickens, and they're like fully pasture raised, no antibiotics, no hormones. They're allowed to mature way longer than the average chicken, so they're a much bigger bird. Their bones are incredible. It's like turkey bones almost. So I'm going to make a broth out of that. I can tolerate chicken broth with bones. I know a lot of people with SIBO can't, but I can. So I'm going to make that. So I've got it all planned, and I'm basically willing the next 2 weeks of my life away, which isn't much fun. And then my back's really sore because I have been unable to get out of bed for a lot of this time, for the last couple of days at least. I've done a few dog walks and stuff, but other than that, I'm in bed. So my back is really sore from lying around, which isn't cool. I do not have any energy. I don't know how I could work a normal 9-to-5 job doing the elemental diet. I would have to take the entire time off sick or just work from home. As it is, I'm only getting a couple of hours work done a day because that's all I can do. I've got 0 energy for anything else. So yeah, it's really fucking hard, guys. I'm not sugarcoating this. It's not easy. I know other people have found it easier, but I'm really, really struggling with it. It really sucks. I feel like I can't win if I use fat in my shake, like MCT oil or ghee. I get terrible bloating, stomach cramps, and explosive diarrhea. But I do get stable blood sugar. If I don't use it, I get such big sugar highs and lows. And I'm in a sugar low right now. I'm just sipping a new drink, just trying to bring my blood sugar back up. That's really annoying.